Hello there, this is Professor Prakash Ukhalkar. In this video, I will cover grid computing, another important distributed computing technology. Grid computing can be defined as a network of homogeneous or heterogeneous computers working together over a long distance to perform a task that would rather be difficult for a single machine. Grid computing is the collection of computer resources from multiple locations to reach a common goal. It is a form of distributed computing that involves coordinating and sharing computing, application, data and storage or network resources across dynamic and geographically dispersed organizations. A computing grid can be thought of as a distributed system with non-interactive workloads that involve many files. Grid computing is distinguished from conventional high-performance computing systems such as cluster computing in that grid computers have each node set to perform a different task. Grid computers also tend to be more heterogeneous and geographically dispersed, thus not physically coupled, than cluster computers. Although a single grid can be dedicated to a particular application, commonly a grid is used for a variety of purposes. Grids are often constructed with general purpose grid middleware libraries. Grid sizes can be quite large. Examples of grid computing applications are IBM's SETI at Home is an internet-based public volunteering computing project. SETI is an acronym for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. Its purpose is to analyze radio signals, searching for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence, and is one of many activities undertaken as a part of SETI project. Anybody with at least intermittently internet connected computer can participate in SETI at Home by running a free program BOINC, that is Berkeley Open Infrastructure for Network Computing software that downloads and analyzes radio telescope data. Another such example of grid computing is Large Hadron Collider, which is the world's largest and highest energy particle collider and the largest machine in the world. The LHC computing grid is a global collaboration of computer centers. It was launched in 2002 to provide a resource to store, distribute, and analyze the 15 petabytes, that is 15 million gigabytes of data generated every year by the Large Hadron Collider. It was built by the CERN, that is European Organization for Nuclear Research, between 1998 and 2008 in collaboration with over 10,000 scientists and hundreds of universities and laboratories, as well as more than 100 countries. It lies in a tunnel 27 kilometers in circumference and as deep as 175 meters beneath the France-Switzerland border near Geneva. As you can see in the figures, grid computing is that technology in which we utilize the resources of many computers in a network towards solving a single computing problem at the same time. Thousands of computers are employed in this process. All the devices that have computing power like desktops, laptops, tablets, mobiles, supercomputers, mainframes, servers, and meteorological sensors are connected together to form a single network. They are all connected together using the internet. As mentioned before, a software that is capable of dividing the program over many computers is used for this purpose. This entire infrastructure of connected computers is called a grid. That's it for grid computing. Thank you.